Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to take you around this approved used Audi A5 Sportback Sport 35 TFSI with the S-tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is finished in the fantastic Mythos black metallic paintwork to really give it that standout appearance. As well, it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. Moving on now, looking at the key features, with this being the sports model, this being the vehicle does benefit from the additional sporty styling such as that fantastic rear diffuser and the front grille as well. With it being the sport, you do get the chrome assets such as the exhaust tips and window surrounds to complement. Moving towards the front of the A5 now, we do find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Now moving down towards the wheels, we do find these exceptional 18-inch 5 twin-spoke design cast aluminium alloys, and they do really complement that lovely black paintwork. Moving in now to the rear boot space of the A5 Sportback, where we do find up to 480 litres of storage capacity, which is a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags. Taking a look now into the rear seats, where we do find a full leather interior with the additional black stitching to complement. As well as this, you do find a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, and there are Isofix points neatly located across the back row, which just make this A5 perfect for family usage. Now moving into the front, we do find a very well designed and laid out cabin with a host of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica and aluminium. With this being the sports model, it does mean you do get these sporty seats which are full leather and do have the black stitching as well as these sports design logos with these stripes running downwards. Moving above now, we find the virtual cockpit, in which is featured 2 digital rev counters, and this screen can also be used to access telephone connectivity and vehicle information. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we find this fantastic MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation, and does also allow usage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and the vehicle is also equipped with heated seats, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Above now, we do find the reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, making the vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A5 Sportback Sport, which is now available at Stafford Audi, and for more information please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.